Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at ENPH. I'm not going to spend that much time on it because it made a move, but it was not completely obvious to me. It's not something that I would have traded, but still, I just want to go over them just for the sake of, being prepared in the future. Uh, being able to trade any type of stock or at least most type of stocks and patterns and such. But let's see. So ENPH opened 327, made a big drop. You know, just bounced back. Just trading sideways, nothing obvious. So then it hit the scanners here when it crossed the high of day. But this big move, it was a decent move from 324 to 342. So this candle at one point was green, but it closed red. It made the high, 342, and then it pulled back, but it pulled back over 100% of the move. So it's right there, and look at the volume, right? So yes, you have higher volume in this. The second candle, you know, it does have very high volume because it carried over some of the momentum, and then a lot of the sell-off, right? Then you have this a second pullback candle, um, and yes, it happened on lower volume. Then you have this third pullback candle, which happened on lower volume than actually right about the same volume as the breakout. So right there, just the volume is all over the place. You typically want to see the breakout have huge volume, and then the pullback have you know considerably lower volume. Then you have this small candle down here. At this point we're below the moving averages, but then we have this candle right here, and then what's supposed to happen happened at the 325 level, top of the last pullback candle here. It broke out all the way up to 330. So it's not interesting, right? 5 cents. And I've noticed that this is what happens when you have not as obvious setups, right? A lot of traders don't like it as much, so they stop watching it and they just don't take part in the action. So not enough volume. Look at the volume, very low. So nothing interesting here. Not until it keeps trading sideways, and then once it gets back above the moving averages, we have here the 20 EMA and the 9 EMA crossing over. Here's when it breaks out. So we have this level here, 321, and it rode up all the way to this. I'll use this one. Yes, granted there was some pullback candles, but it got all the way up to wow, okay, 347 or 348. So that's a nice move, sure. 20 cents, but it happened over the course of one, two, three, four. I'm not even gonna count it, guys. Like 15, 20 candles or so. So it's not something that I would have traded, but again, I just want to take a look at it because it is a move at the end of the day, and if this is a strategy that a PM strategy or late morning strategy that is relatively safe, um, I want to learn it. For in the future, once I have a little bigger account and more risk tolerance, I want to be able to trade this type of moves as well. So that's just it for ENPH. I just wanted to take a quick look at it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys.